What's going on? Hope you well, guys. Manny here again for another YouTube video without the edits, just pure raw content really, guys. Yesterday I was driving, and we talked about why people are trapped in the 9 to 5. But first of all, check out the weather, check out the view. As you can see, guys, the view's nice. Now for me, guys, best thing to do is, I've always believed in having the skills to really excel in your field. But there's so many people out there that are stuck in a 9 to 5 job without realizing that they have skills that they're not even going to use. Because let's face it, if you're in a 9 to 5 job, which there's nothing wrong in being in a 9 to 5, it pays the bills, but you're stuck in that same structure. One thing that really pisses me off though is when your family or your friends or your spouse or whatever, they'll say, work in a 9 to 5 job, it's fine. But themselves, they'll probably be working in a business. They'll probably be working, or they're probably self-employed doing something else, or they're probably, working in a family business, which is, the saying is, it's easier said than done. And the thing is, these people aren't really going to pay your bills. Like, these people aren't really going to pay your bills for you, because at the end of the day, you're here alone, excuse me, and you're going to do it alone. So the way I see it, guys, is if you're in a 9 to 5 job and you need to have an exit strategy. I've always believed in having an exit strategy. Every time I joined a 9 to 5 job, or in the past when I was in a 9 to 5 job, I had an exit strategy where I would make sure that I'm doing something on the side that would allow me to quit that job. Never get too comfortable in your current situation, guys, because at the end of the day, your manager can fire you tomorrow and you'll be left with nothing. If you're paying the bills, and obviously you got to be working in a 9 to 5 job to pay the bills, but again, you're not limited to just to work all year or all your life by just simply paying the bills. Hard work is important, yes, but we're in 2025, guys. We have AI, we have the technological resources to do so well that people just don't realize how lucky and blessed we are. So my take is, if you're working in a 9 to 5 job, then find an exit strategy. Just find a way to get out of your current situation, because bills are high, everything's getting expensive, and we have tools like AI. People don't realize how AI is so powerful. It's gonna replace you. Yes, give it another year or so, people are gonna be replaced by robots, AI, computers. It's already happening, guys. It's already happening where workplaces are using AI to get things done that would take ages for a person to do, and everybody's okay with that. Nobody's holding AI to accountable. There's no way right now out there, there's no rules or laws that is preventing people from using AI in the workplace or their business. These are like the golden time. We're in the golden era of AI, guys. And if you're still, relying on your 9 to 5 job, and then you go to a holiday once a year, so you can tell your friends how much, or you can tell your work colleagues how much of a blast you've had, and just listen to depressing stories, then you're just going to be wrapped into that vicious cycle. But guys, your parents love you. They'll tell you it's a secure job, but again, your parents were born in a different era. I'm a millennial. I was born in an era where I had to utilize technology at an early age, and now I've realized over the years that you're actually in this alone. If you don't actually utilize your skills, work on your health, and actually get out there, nobody cares, unfortunately. So the way I see it, guys, is if you're still stuck in a 9 to 5 and you're watching this video, my advice, have an exit strategy, because you're going to come back to this video and it's going to be too late. This is Manny Youth, guys.